Is your RV gathering dust instead of memories? If it's sitting in a storage lot, it's not just sitting there, it's costing you money every single month. Stop paying for storage. When you list your RV with Teshua Farms, secure parking is completely free. We keep your investment safe, sound, and ready to go. Worried about wear and tear? Don't be. We cover routine maintenance while it's in the program. And if a major repair pops up, we handle it with zero labor charges to you. Here is the best part. Renters never tow or drive your RV ever. Only our skilled, professional drivers move your rig to its destination. Your baby is in safe hands. Turn that driveway ornament into a passive income machine. You earn a commission every single time your RV rents. It's money in your pocket without you lifting a finger. From summer vacations to major events, demand is high. Watch your earnings soar during peak seasons when families are looking for the perfect getaway vehicle. Yours. Miss the open road? No problem. You can still use your RV whenever you want. Just give us a heads up and it'll be clean, prepped, and waiting for your next family adventure. Safe, profitable, flexible. Join the Teshua Farms Consignment Program today and let your RV work for you.